Hello viewers, let's replace the front brakes on this 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. First, let's remove our brake rotor rotating screw. It is a T30. I'm using a hammer so I can tap the socket all the way in because it is rusty. And we're going to use a screwdriver like this to jam the rotor in place while breaking the bolt free. Now let's remove the caliper bolt. I'm gonna use a 70mm wrench to hold the back socket and use the 30mm to remove the bolt. Now let's pry the caliper off the brake pads using a screwdriver. We go. Now we're going to compress the caliper. I'll include all those tools in the comment section below, including the parts. Good. Fully in. Now we're gonna we can use the bungee cord for this to hold the caliper in place so you don't put too much pressure on the caliper hose. Now let's remove the caliper bracket bolt. Those are 21mm. Let's inspect our caliper bracket in the hardware. Take the old brake pad out. Now we're going to clean the caliper bracket. And let's re-grease the slider pins. Good.
This is where the T30 is actually useful.
Now let's clean it. I'm gonna use a wire brush like this, or you can use a cookie wheel that will do a much better job like this. Make it shiny. Now we're gonna use one of the lock studs to remove the old rotor because I didn't want it to just fall down and fly off maybe. This thing was stuck for good, so I had to hold it in place. It's trash. Now let's clean our hub so it can be even surface. Now I'm gonna put the new rotor in. On some rotors, you have to use soap and water or brake cleaner to remove the rust protection film. But this one doesn't have it. I didn't have to do anything like that. I can just put it on. Well, some of them have that holy thing on them so to protect it from rust. So you have to clean that off. Now we're going to add some grease on our new brake pads. Those brake pads, make sure you put some pressure on the spring because they're gonna fight you to go in. They are new, and those brake pads are aftermarket also. I think that's the reason why it's doing it. They were kind of hard to put on. Make sure you compress them a little bit, so it will be easier to go in. That's the way it goes in. You press it against the caliper bracket and you slide in all the way. Like I'm doing right now, putting pressure on it. The same thing for the back brake pads. Now we're ready to put our caliper on, and that will be it, guys. Make sure you compress. Make sure you pump your brake pedal before you go for the test drive, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.